Are you ready to experience the future of smartphones? Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. With cutting-edge technology, an exceptional camera, and a user-friendly interface, this device is poised to take the smartphone world by storm. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for your next upgrade, stick around because we're about to uncover all the secrets of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. In a world where smartphones are an extension of ourselves, the Pixel 9 Pro XL doesn't just keep up, it sets the bar higher. Let's jump right into what makes this phone a game changer. Let's start with the design. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts a sleek and modern look. With a premium glass and metal build, it feels both sturdy and luxurious in hand. The device is available in a variety of striking colors, catering to different style preferences. You'll find the classic black, a clean and timeless snow white, and the new colorway, ocean blue, which adds a fresh touch. The matte finish on the back of the device not only feels great, but also reduces fingerprints, so your phone stays looking pristine. The rear design features the iconic camera bar, which now houses the advanced triple camera system. This design choice not only serves a functional purpose but also gives the Pixel 9 Pro XL a distinctive look that stands out in a sea of smartphones. The 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display is where the magic happens. With a resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels, every image pops with clarity and detail. This display is capable of producing over 1 billion colors, so whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games, everything looks vibrant and alive. But what about visibility? The Pixel 9 Pro XL shines even in direct sunlight. Thanks to its peak brightness of 2000 nits, you can enjoy your favorite content anywhere, anytime. The adaptive brightness feature adjusts automatically based on your environment, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience. Additionally, the always-on display feature allows you to glance at the time, notifications, and even control media playback without fully waking the device. This not only saves battery life, but also enhances usability. Now, let's talk about the camera. Arguably the most exciting feature of any Pixel device. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is equipped with a triple camera setup, a 50MP wide lens, a 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. This powerhouse allows you to capture stunning images with remarkable detail, no matter the situation. And don't worry about those low-light shots. The night sight mode has been enhanced, ensuring your nighttime photos are brighter and more vibrant. You can now capture breathtaking nightscapes and low-light portraits without needing a flash. But that's not all. With features like Magic Eraser and Photo Unblur, editing your images has never been easier. Magic Eraser allows you to remove unwanted distractions from your photos effortlessly. Just select the area you want to erase, and it's gone. Photo Unblur can revive your blurry shots, making them crisp and clear with just a tap. When it comes to video, the Pixel 9 Pro XL does not disappoint. You can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second, and the new cinematic blur feature adds that professional touch to your videos, making every moment feel like a movie scene. This is perfect for capturing family memories or vlogging your latest adventures. Don't just take my word for it. Users are raving about the video quality. Whether you're recording a concert or a family event, the Pixel 9 Pro XL delivers smooth and vibrant footage. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's latest Tensor G3 chip, paired with a generous 12 GB of RAM. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running resource-intensive applications. Benchmark tests show that the Pixel 9 Pro XL outperforms many of its competitors, making it an excellent choice for power users and gamers alike. With this phone, you can expect seamless app launches and smooth transitions between apps, even when juggling multiple tasks. Google's clean and intuitive interface, running on Android 14, offers a seamless experience. The user interface has been optimized for efficiency, and you'll notice features like improved widgets, enhanced dark mode, and more customization options. With regular updates and new features, you can expect your device to stay relevant and secure for years to come. One of my favorite features is the material you design, which allows you to customize the look of your interface based on your wallpaper. This level of personalization makes using your device feel unique and tailored to your style. Battery life is crucial for any smartphone, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or browsing social media, you won't find yourself scrambling for a charger halfway through the day. Thanks to adaptive battery technology, the Pixel 9 Pro XL learns your usage habits, optimizing power consumption to extend battery life even further. If you tend to use specific apps more frequently, the device prioritizes battery for those, ensuring they run smoothly. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can get back to 50% battery in just about 30 minutes. And if you prefer to go wireless, the Pixel 9 Pro XL supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, allowing you to power up your accessories on the go. Now, let's discuss security. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features an under-display fingerprint scanner and advanced face unlock technology, providing multiple layers of security to keep your data safe. The fingerprint scanner is fast and responsive, unlocking your phone in a split second. Setting up these security features is simple and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to ensure their device is protected. Plus, with Google's commitment to security, you can feel confident knowing your personal information is safeguarded. In terms of connectivity, the Pixel 9 Pro XL supports 5G networks and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring fast internet speeds, whether you're browsing at home or on the go. This means faster downloads, smoother streaming, and overall enhanced connectivity. With Bluetooth 5.2, connecting to your favorite headphones or smart devices is seamless, allowing for a stable connection with extended range. So, is the Pixel 9 Pro XL the right smartphone for you? If you prioritize camera quality, software experience, and a reliable daily driver, this device is hard to beat. The combination of innovation, style, and performance makes it a top contender for 2024. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. What do you think about the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Will you be adding it to your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, Gearheads. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.